how to download TikToks for offline. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap on Offline Videos. Here, you can choose how many videos you want to download to watch offline. After selecting, tap on Download at the bottom. Wait for the videos to download. You can now enjoy watching videos even when you're offline. Following these steps, you can easily download TikToks for offline.